I've been trying a lot of new things lately. And one of them is starting a new clothing brand. One thing I've learned habang tumatanda ako is your goals and dreams can evolve. I mean ako, based on experience, yung career ko lang, basketball player, naging sportscaster. Nag-news nga ako guys eh. Naging sports tito ako. Wala yun sa list of goals nung bata ako. Tas ngayon, content creator, host, and business owner. I just really love trying new opportunities because naniniwala ako that every single one of them helps me grow. Siyempre, hindi naman palagi nangyayari yung eksaktong plano natin. Buong buhay ko nga gusto ko maging professional basketball player. Hindi naman nangyari. Ang importante lang talaga is willing tayong mag-adjust and adapt to whatever life throws at us. Kaya I really believe that one of the most underrated things is exploring new opportunities na nag-a-add ng plus sa buhay niyo. Ang tawag ko nga sa mga to, plusibilities. May natutunan kayong bago. Plusibilities. Whatever happens naman kasi sa mga sinusubukan ninyo, for sure may matututunan kayo dyan and you're gonna grow from it. And syempre, mas okay yan kung protected tayo para siguradong panalo. Kaya I suggest you unlock all those possibilities with FWD Life Insurance. And their latest plan na bagay sa lifestyle natin, ang Set for Life Plus. Isa tong investment-linked insurance that gives you protection plus investment pa to. At syempre, may mga bonus din, ang premium extension bonus and loyalty bonus. At meron pang startup bonus and guaranteed milestone increase. Ang kagandahan pa dito, you can customize the plan with add-on benefits. Kaya nga from having my family's and my friends' support. And of course, FWD having my back. Go ako lagi to try and build the best life possible and of course, my best self. Kaya having insurance and an investment at the same time gives me the space and the peace of mind na kung sakaling mag-evolve yung goals and dreams ko, covered na ako and it's always there growing with me. Again, never ko yung nakala na magkakaroon ako ng sariling clothing brand. Go do what you've always wanted. Chase your dreams. Kung meron kayong bagong goal o bagong pangarap, ilaban nyo yan. Sabayan nyo yan ng FWD Set for Life Plus. And unlock life's possibilities. I promise you, you'll thank you later.